This vlog is about forum posting. I've decided these keywords: certified organic link builder, SEO tips with Varun, SEO content marketing agency, best SEO company India, Toronto, local SEO services. So these are my keywords, and currently my site is this is my site, Kumar SEO Tech Consultant. And in this video, I will tell you some shortcuts. So that for this keyword, my site and my upper profile are already coming up on Google. Let's change it to google.com. So for these few keywords, my upper profile over here, you can see is coming up. Mm, this keyword also it is coming up. This one is not showing right now because of VPN, I think. SEO certified organic link builder. So this is on page 2. See, my upper profile is up. We are on rank 117, I think. And website is on rank 20 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 27. So I have embedded the keywords here, the title, description, and then in the meta description also. Here also I put it certified, this SEO marketing agent, certified organic link builder. So I put it 3 4 times on the page. Now let's go back to the sheet. Now this is the formula for finding sites which will you will get which have a comment option. This is the formula I want to discuss. This is the formula which will get you sites where I can go and leave a comment. Okay, business consultant plus leave a comment in this. ठीक है जी. Go here, put your name, put your email, put your website, your comment, Save my name and post. So here we will get a link back to our site. Copy this link, put it here, and post it here. Okay. Now similarly, we are looking for a digital marketing forum. Similarly over here, you can go and put the comment, name, email, and website, and this will give you a backlink. So similarly, I want to find forums, digital marketing forums. This is the formula for that. Digital marketing plus sign plus forum. These are all the forums which are coming up now. Marketing terms, forum digital point, in Quora, youth work, and do like and subscribe if you like the video. I've made 8,000. I've made around 9,000 bucks on this site, doing freelancing and working for organizations. Okay, now we have come over here. Now we need to become a part of this forum. It will have an option here or here. This one doesn't have. In here, it's given me another list of forums. Just let me check the internet. I think it's okay. Fine, it's connected. So here we can see there should be option to become a member. Like here, hey forum. This is a very nice forum. Easy to become a member. Over here, and the email, name, password. Enough. Enough. So we become members now. So now I have to leave a link over here. Verify email. Email verification will come. Basically, you have understood the formula. Digital marketing plus forum in commas, business consultant plus leave a comment. And if you check the site indexed or not, you can search for the site on Google. Site is coming up.